Dear members of the European State Forest Management Organizations, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, my name is Rudolf Freithager, and as being the CEO of Österreichische Bundesforste, I am happy to invite you to the State Forest Conference in Austria in 2019. We are happy and looking forward to show you from the 12th to the 14th of June one of the most beautiful regions in Austria, a unique landscape located in the country of Salzburg. Forests, mountains and lakes characterize these natural areas, which are the basis of ÖBF's day-by-day business performance. In this context, the entire conference will show the broad business portfolio of ÖBF. First, forest management and hunting. Second, real estate management. Third, services. Fourth, renewable energies. These are the four strategic pillars of ÖBF we are going to see. During the conference, based at Sheraton Fuschlsee Salzburg Hotel, we are going to show you how we plan, how we organize and how we perform all our businesses. As you can see in my back, Austria is characterized by high mountains and steep slopes. This environment is quite challenging for any forest management operations, both in terms of technology and cost management. Having the chance to introduce into typical Austrian forest management practices, we will show you how we approach this mountain forestry management. My promise to you, if you come to Austria, you will have a well-organized conference. You will get a lot of impressions and insights in our way to manage natural resources. Your challenge is now to bring sunny weather conditions so that we can celebrate an unforgettable State Forest Conference. The detailed program will be provided in due time. Dear colleagues and friends of the European State Forest Management Organizations, you are most welcomed to this conference, and we would appreciate having you as our guests in Austria.